we are about to make a Mexican cornbread casserole. Let's get started. To get this recipe started, I'm going to put about a pound of 80/20 in the skillet. Get it good and browned up. When I get it about halfway browned, I'm going to add my seasonings. Okay, so I'm going to add chili powder, onion flakes, garlic powder, cumin, and a beef bouillon cube. I'm going to throw some salt in there and some black pepper. My granddaughter's playing the piano for y'all, by the way, in the background. Let that finish browning. Alright, so I got my meat drained off. I'm just going to add 2 tablespoons of flour. I'm going to cut my heat down just a bit. This is smelling good, by the way, you guys. Okay, I got it mixed in. I'm going to kill the heat completely. And I'm going to add some freshly grated cheddar cheese. Get all that mixed in. Then I'm going to push this to the back burner and I'm going to start on the next step. Alright, for the next step, I'm going to throw in some cornmeal, some flour, some sugar, salt, baking powder. Give that a quick stir. Put in a large egg. Put in a half a cup of milk. Put in some oil. I'll drop the recipe for this down below the video. I'll give this a quick stir.
Hey, help me.
Get this mixed up. It's going to be really thick. Then I'm going to pour in a can of cream style corn, some grated cheddar cheese, and some fresh diced jalapeno peppers.
Put it in here.
This is a quick mix.
Daddy, help.
Then I'll be back when I'm ready to put it together.
Okay.
Alright, so I put my meat and cheese mixture in a greased 9x13. I'm just to cover it with my cornbread mixture. And this is supposed to go into a 350-degree oven for around 25 minutes or until it's done. Pulled it out of the oven. I am fixing to cut into it and see what it looks like. is Mexican cornbread casserole. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Catch you next time.